Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you Yerba Magic review. So you might be wondering, what is Yerba Magic? Well, to explain Yerba Magic, Yerba Magic is an instant yerba mate tea powder marketed as a 5-in-1 functional drink. Now built around organic yerba mate extract combined with lion's mane mushroom, l-theanine, and a prebiotic or probiotic fiber blend. Now it's positioned as a lower sugar alternative to coffee or energy drinks, so it's available as a powder mixed with water and is in a capsule version. Now, the thing with this one, each serving or one scoop contains 100 milligram of natural caffeine from yerba mate, 1000 milligram of limonene, 100 milligram of L-theanine, and a 2000 milligram of prebiotic or probiotic fiber blend. So in this case, that includes caicoric, inulin, apple fiber, citrus, pectin, and a lot more. So nutritionally here, each serving lists around like 40 calories and 2 grams total sugar, 9 gram total carbohydrates, and 2 grams dietary fiber, sweetened with allulose and stevia, and it comes in flavors including peach, mango, strawberry, matcha, and pina colada. Now, how do you exactly start using this one? Now, what you need to do is you just need to fill a cup or a shaker bottle with water, cold or with ice, so based on the brand's instructions. Now, add 1 scoop or 1 stick pack for the individual packets and stir with a whisk. Now, frother or by shaking, so until dissolve. Now, that's important. Now, it's intended for one's daily use, commonly in the morning or midday. Now, the label notes anyone pregnant, nursing, under 12, or under a physician's care should consult a healthcare professional before use, and that those sensitive to caffeine should start with a smaller amount. Now, with any kind of vitamins or supplements that you may be taking, it's best to consult your doctor first before taking anything. Now, in this case, what about the pricing? Now, a 30 serving bag is listed around like $39.99 for a one-time purchase, or around $29.59 through a subscription and save option billed every 30 days. Now, I stated 25% discount, so multi-pack bundles are also available. For example, buy 2 get 1 free. Now, shipping is free on US orders, and returns are accepted on unopened products within 30 days for a refund. But the total pricing here totally depends on where you are, or in this case, what country you are actually buying from. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.